welcome to the third video dealing with the convertible roof issue that my 2003 BMW Z4 3.0i has been experiencing. And as mentioned in my previous video, after taking this car to my mechanic, we determined that the issue wasn't the convertible roof motor, but the issue was the right cylinder hinge that needed to be replaced. Ended up replacing that. The cost of that was a little bit less than $1,600, including tax and everything. And that appears to have resolved the issue. The roof's able to be raised at the touch of the button like it should be. There's still a little bit of a noise that the motor is making, so I'm going to keep an eye out on that. Hopefully, that's not indicative of another problem down the road, but for right now, I think we're back in business as far as the Z4 is concerned. One of the questions that I was asking myself throughout this process was whether it made sense for me to invest the money into this car. I mean, $1,600 is not, a small amount of money given what the fair market value of this car is. But I think ultimately I decided that the enjoyment that I get out of this car and the fun that I have out of it was worth it to me to make that investment, fix the roof, and keep owning the car. So stay tuned for a lot more videos with the 2003 BMW Z4. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.